Right. We are go over rule and blood clot regulation in this yard. If me and you a full blood clot time, you feel me? So, rule one, you know shit in the kitchen, and you know shit nowhere else, and you know leave your trade blood clot mark anyway. That's a rule one. Rule two, nobody yam me blood clot food unless you want dead. You feel me? Rule 3. When any blood clot body coming out of the yard, if you see anything, nobody talk, you feel me? But hold on. You can't talk anyway. And only me you can't talk to. Cause them can't hear you. I don't know what me a blood clot laugh for. Listen, if you did ever finish that conversation there, me would have cuss you, Because I'm glad say you know say nobody can hear me talk. I only you, I only you, 0 out of million, I only you, Alright. Me just know I'm glad say. Me know say you know. Shut up your mouth, man. Cause me know, me no forget. Are you a blood clot fault? Or why me can't hear you? Because you could have stopped me, You could have stopped me, Somewhere. God Almighty, somewhere. You could have stopped it. But you sit down there and lift up your blood clot head into the sky and go on like you don't know and see what I go on. So before you open up your blood clot mouth again, make sure you put your paw up in the ear. I want make you have to get so loud. Excuse me? Me could have saved you? Me could have saved you? Hold on. Just remember, you did a run from the dope in the yard, So how the blood clot you are going to tell me and go and say me can save you like my name Super Dog? What me yasso? Listen, you don't remember what me tell you? No open up your mouth until me tell you to lift up your paw in the ear. So, as me did say, which number me did there again? 3. Rule blood clot. 3. Rule regulation. No ras. No bother. Ever. Think say, you can lie down on my bed. You want it. Other than that, we good. But no bother dare think say you can broke one of them 3 rules there. Because if you broke one of them blood clot 3 rules there, you're going to end up as an outside animal. You feel me? In a kennel. You feel me? A 4 yes sir. But listen, me a go out, man. Me catch you in the morning, because me don't know where you going with. How you can lay down rule and regulation for me? Now that me can talk and you can hear me. But before, everything was cool in a blood clot like the fan. And now you want to switch you up. Me sorry, but the contract no read so. So you have to take it as it come. You feel me? Listen, you just make sure that you in this blood clot yard by 9 o'clock. Because if me have to come outside and shout you, it'll go be the last time I shout you, because you are going to get buried in the blood clot back garden with no headstone neither. So, you better make sure you in this yard by 9 o'clock. I mean, no say you not have watch, but ask for the time. You feel me? And not copy me. Yeah. If you say so, mommy. I want to call me.